Aubrey.
And where did Dad go?
Oh, he went down to...
Okay, we're going to the suite.
Yes.
Hi, Caleb.
Hi.
Okay, so we are in Margaritaville in Tulsa at the River Spirit Casino.
Yeah, and I'm wearing shots like
so we're doing like a little mini vacay. Staycation.
I'll do...
All right, here we go. Open it up. Oh, okay, you got the card? Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah.
Here we go.
It is amazing.
This is the presidential suite. No, just kidding.
Signature suite.
Oh, the signature suite. So this is the living room. Wait, are you sleeping there?
Yeah. Hello.
We actually got 2 rooms. So
Yes.
this is the adult quarters.
I'm using that.
So just kind of give you guys a quick tour. This is the living area.
And you can
go. Okay, let's see the pool because this is where we're about to go, you guys.
It's not even crowded at all.
It's not crowded at all. They've got little beds that you can lay on, a swim up pool bar, only for adults.
Yes.
Adults only. And there's the river over there. Yes. So, wait, we haven't shown everything. I want to show you guys before we junk it out. So, there's 2 bathrooms.
2 bathrooms.
Guys,
What?
you want to see my superheroes on the backpack?
Yeah, you can show us in a second. All right, so we're gonna come in here to the bedroom area. Dun, dun, dun. Here it is.
Really nice.
The signature suite. So this is the room, huge. This is definitely Mom and Dad's room.
Yeah.
And then the bathroom, which is bigger than...
A giant...
I'm gonna sleep with you.
You are? Okay, here's the bathtub.
As big as my room.
I know, wouldn't you love to have in such a house? Okay. Okay, and this is the toilet area. The beautiful toilet. But show them.
With the
Show them the
different...
best part.
Oh, the walk-in shower. It is giant, as you can see.
And I have my bathing. We're going swimming right after
Yes.
this, so I have my bathing suit on.
So beautiful mirror. Hello.
So we are going to go. We're gonna get dressed, go to the pool, and take you guys with us.
Yes, we are. So we are right now about to go to the pool. Too bad we didn't
Yeah,
bring a GoPro.
and you see my...
Yeah, we have to have our all hotel guests have to have the blue.
Get your ID.
And
Yeah.
I
Don't
hope
forget
Slappy's not coming.
Yeah, I hope not either.
Yeah.
I checked at the doorstep and he was.
Dun, dun, dun. Uh-oh.
And here we go.
Dun, dun, dun. Is there anybody in there? Here we go. Is there anybody in there? Okay. We made it.
One, right?
The spa. Yeah, spa pool.
Oh, I like the test that button. That's nice and fast.
I think
Whoa! That's what it would be like if there was an earthquake here.
Look at the ceiling.
upside down.
All right, here we go.
Alright, here we go to
Cool out, cool out, cool
now
out.
we didn't bring our GoPro. Open it.
Can you get it back? Oh, don't smash your fingers, man. We don't want the video to be about smashed fingers. Oh, look, he's cleaning. Oh, can you imagine if he having that job? He's got to go all the way up, clean the windows. Whoa.
It's going on the wheel.
He's cleaning the windows. Are you dancing? Come on, let's go find a beach chair. I think Dad's already found one over there. Is it hot?
You ready, Caleb?
All right, I gotta get your face. Can you bring the cream? Or just the spray?
Whatever's in there.
Aubrey spotted some fans in the pool, so.
So here it is. Big blue building right off the river. Check it out. All right, Aubrey, check it out. It's a cabana. What's up with that?
That's
Things. We got a fan, we got a TV, a footstool, a couch, flat screen TV.
Refrigerator.
Yeah.
That's
Is it stocked?
it's
It's got one in it.
beautiful.
Pretty cool.
So pretty pictures. It's like you're on the beach. It's amazing.
Amazing.
Hi, Caleb. Are you gonna jump in?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Whoa! Oh, that was a belly flop.
Yeah, do you want to see what again?
Yeah, but
What?
that was a belly flop.
What?
You gonna jump again?
Yeah.
You gotta splash everybody.
I just
Careful, careful, careful. One. Oh, that was a belly flop.
What's
We're gonna go eat over there at Margaritaville, where the giant volcano is.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Beware, it's a pop top.
That's smart. You have to exit through the distance.
Yeah. Wow. That's a giant. Oh, is it real? You want me to take your picture next to it? Yeah. No, he's a nice shark, isn't he? Oh, look at all those teeth.
He's not real.
He's not rock. You want a cheeseburger in paradise? Let's see what we got here.
You want French fries?
Yeah. I think we're thinking about getting these volcano nachos.
Volcano.
Well, I see the volcano. When it comes on, we'll go over there and see it, okay?
We need the brownie sundae for dessert.
Does it really explode?
It doesn't really explode, but we'll go over and see it when it does it, okay? What is it, Caleb? What is it?
It's a volcano.
What is it? Oh, man. You go walk over by it. You can go walk over by it. Whoa, is it going to fill all the way up? Alright, we leaving the hotel?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go get Bubba and Sissy in their room.
I put chocolate on was